this video, I'm going to reveal an easy affiliate marketing hack you can use to promote Amazon products and quickly get to $250 or more per day just by copy and pasting text. Amazon is a goldmine for finding high demand products like electronic, home goods, and more. And with this method, you won't need more than 10 minutes a day to start to see results. So if you're excited to learn this incredibly secret, powerful method, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, so the very first step is we need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program so we can start promoting these products. All you have to do is search in Google Amazon Associates and you'll get taken to this link. Just click sign up and sign up for a free account. It takes just a few minutes. Now, once you're logged into your affiliate account, you just want to go to Amazon.com and you will actually see this top bar here showing this Amazon Associates thing right here. Now, this is how we're going to get our affiliate links for whatever product we want to promote. So what we want to do is we want to go to the tab right here where it says best sellers, because this is going to list the best selling Amazon products at this current time. So we know it's selling very well and people are very interested in finding reviews and other information. Now, we also want to choose a product that has great reviews, okay? A lot of reviews and a lot of positive 5 stars. So this one right here, the Owala Free Sip bottle, is going to be the product we're going to choose. So all you have to do is choose a product and click on it. And then once you're on this page here, you just have to go up to this little tab, click text, and this will actually generate us an affiliate link that we can just copy right here. Now, anytime someone goes to this link, they'll get taken to this page here. And when they buy, we will actually earn a commission. So what I like to do is open a notepad file and put in that affiliate link here so we can actually keep this handy. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to go to Google and we want to search in the name of the product followed by the word review. And what's going to happen is you're going to see other people that have already created reviews for this product. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to capitalize on the massive amount of people searching for reviews so they can actually see our review and decide to buy through us. But we're not even going to have to create these reviews ourselves. So maybe try this top one, and we just want to make sure they do recommend it at the bottom so we can actually do this method. Should I get an Owala? Yes. Okay, so they're actually recommending it. So now once we find a product that people are actually recommending inside of the review, we want to actually copy this review. Okay, so go to the very top and we just want to copy, okay, all of this here. Just scroll all the way down here and copy their review. Now, we want to right click and copy. Now, what I recommend you do is you first paste this into a text file because that's going to remove all the photos and all the different advertisements you may have copied before. So just paste that in and now it's just the text. Hey, real quick, before we dive back in, if you're ready to start getting paid instantly and want a step-by-step guide to do it all on autopilot, make sure to check out the link below. I've got access to a powerful blueprint that shows exactly how to set it up. All right, let's get back to it. Now what we want to do is we want to actually go to a free site called spinbot.com. Now, Spinbot is an incredible free tool that allows us to interchange the words of other people and make it unique. So basically what will happen is we will paste in this article that we got from someone else, and you want to just copy what's relevant so you don't have to copy this last paragraph. Just copy up until the final paragraph of the review, and then we want to actually paste it into this site here. And now what's going to happen is it will automatically spin and change out some of these words for synonyms and other related words so we can actually make this unique without having to write ourselves. So you just click basic spin here and you just wait a few seconds and it will actually spin it. Now you can see right here that this is the finished product here. And if we go up to the top, we can see Owala water bottle review, what we really think, Owala water container survey, our thought process. What makes Owala Free Sip water bottle so special? What compels Owala's Free Sip water bottle so unique? Our genuine take. Okay, so you can see that it's replacing words and making it unique. This is going to allow us to actually use this without plagiarizing. So now what you want to do is once you have that spin text, we want to just copy here and you want to go to a fresh document and you want to paste this in. Now, what we want to do is we just want to format this so it's readable and it makes sense. Okay, so give me a few seconds. I'm going to go through and format this and then come back. Now, later on in this video, I'll introduce a powerful powerful tool that can automate your affiliate marketing for free. Okay, so there we have it. You can see right here that I just spent a few seconds formatting, so it all looked pretty good. Now, what we're gonna do is distribute this article and this review across many different free platforms so we can start getting traffic to our affiliate link. But the last thing we wanna do is at the bottom, we actually wanna include our affiliate link. So it says, would it be advisable? As we would like to think, yes, they're worth the cash, okay? And then you can just put in right here, click here to get your bottle today. And then just go back to this document here and then copy the Amazon affiliate link that we copied before and then just paste it in like that. So now the very first free site we're actually gonna post this article is called medium.com. So all you have to do is go to medium.com, click get started and create a free account. Now Medium allows you to actually post articles and different things like that, which allows us to get free exposure. Okay, so once we're logged into Medium, all you have to do is go to the top tab here under Write. And for the title, we just want to go back here and we want to get this title here. Paste that in. Now for this part right here, this is the body. So we just want to copy all of this here, including where it says the affiliate link, and then just paste. And literally that's the article. Now some people say they have trouble posting affiliate links with Medium. I've never had an issue. If you do, you could just link to another article that I'll share in a second. And then in that article, you can have your affiliate link. So once you're good like that, okay, you just want to click publish. And it's published right there, a very valuable review. And at the bottom, again, we actually recommend it. And then when people go to this affiliate link, they will actually get taken here. And when they buy, we will start making money. Now, another site you can post this same article is vocal.media. So you can just go here, again, join. And once you're logged in, just go to create story. Again, for the title, it's the same thing. Just go to the top here, copy, paste. Now, to actually post, we need a subtitle. So you can just write something like read this to learn everything. And then right here at the bottom is where we, again, going to put in this article. Okay, save changes. Now, sometimes you'll still see this at the top on vocal.media and you need to add an image. So just go to unsplash image here and then type in something like health because this bottle has to do with being healthy. And then you can just choose one of these like this, save changes, and then submit for review. Now, another amazing free site that we can post articles and start to get traffic and clicks to our links is Blogger. So you just go to blogger.com, you create a free account. And then once you're logged in, okay, and you can see I've been posting here. Once you're logged in, you just want to click new post. And again, very simple. So for the body, you can actually paste it here. And then for the title, again, it's the same title here. Like that, and then just click publish. Now, one last thing, you can start getting a lot of traffic and clicks and exposure on your articles by just doing this. But if we want to go further, we can even promote these articles on social media to get even more people seeing them. So let's say we want to promote the Medium article here. All you have to do is go to the actual page with the article, copy the URL at the very top. And then what you can do is first off, go to Facebook and at the search bar, you just want to type in a word or two that has to do with the type of people that would probably want the product you're promoting. So this is a sports type of water bottle. So runners would be perfect for this. So you can just type in runners in this top search and then just click groups. And then you see all these different groups of runners. So you can actually just join one of these really popular groups. And then once you're a member, what you can do is actually post in here the link to your article. Now, based on different groups, they allow different privileges of posting. But if you do it subtly and you talk about, hey, I love running and I recently found this article on this sports bottle. What do you think about this? And then you put the link. A lot of people will see that and a lot of people will go to the article, read over that article, and then go to the bottom and decide to buy. Now, one last place you can go is actually Pinterest. So if you created a Pinterest account, you can actually click here, click pin, and then what you can do is you can actually first off add an image. So we can actually go to this free site here, pexels.com, and we can search for something like running because this is related to the type of people that we want to promote to, okay? So this picture right here could be great and you just click download. Okay, now these are actually free to use. So now we can go to Pinterest and we can upload that photo here. Now we can add a title. So you can actually just use the same title here. Okay, now for the description, you can write something shorter. Okay, you don't want to put the full review. So you can say this new water bottle is amazing. Check out our full review at the link. And then for the link, we can just put in the link to our article. So again, copy that Medium link and then just paste it in here. Okay, and then just click publish. Boom. Boom. So it's published. If I view this, you can see right here, it's a runner. It has the title right here. So this will help it start showing up in Pinterest. And then when they click that link, it's going to get taken to our Medium article. When they read over this, they get value, they see a review, and then they see here, they click here, and then ultimately they go to our affiliate link, they decide to buy, and we make money. Now, before you go, like I said, I highly recommend you click the first link below. Check out my #1 affiliate program. It literally will pay you instant 100% commissions. You don't have to wait a long time to get paid. You don't have to give a portion away to the product creator. You can make the sales and keep all the money using this powerful method. So be sure to subscribe also with the bell icon. I'm going to be posting more videos just like this every single week. Hit the like button if you got value. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next stream.